Hi everyone, today we are going to make our own coconut creamer for my coffee. So I am going to get this open and I need to get my vanilla. Hold on. Oh, maybe not. I want to do something different because I have the cocoa nibs and cranberry juice powder I got from my Adiago teas and everything. So I'll put that link down below so y'all can go check them out. This is only 50 cents. So, you know, they got samples that are 50 cents you can try out anything before buying a big one. And we're going to get this can open. Or we're going to try to. Let's put it that way. Now it's been in the fridge, so it's all separated. So I probably could have done this without. Oh wow, look at that! Oh, don't that look so cool? So all that other stuff is down at the bottom. Let me get a spoon. So I wanted to see how this separates. So that looks cool. So that separates really well. Now I'm just going to put it into this jar. Because I'm quite sure when people do this when they go to make yogurt. But I didn't have a yogurt maker yet, so I had to stick it in the fridge because I want to make the creamer. But I think that is so cool how that looks. I'm just going to pour everything, put it back in here and get it all mixed up. Oh wow, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Alright. I'll have to use a blender to get it all back together. So we're going to do, I'm going to shake this up. I don't think, oh yeah, look at that. That worked good. Shake it, 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 shake, 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 shake. I'm going to shake it back all together. And then maybe put a spoon in there and stir it back together. Oh, see, that's the, ooh, just a little bit more shaking. How about that? Shake it vigorously. Cause I got jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Oh, yeah. Alright, let me see here. Let me take the whisk, get that in there, and break it all up. There we go. So, using a whisk to break it up, to stir it, instead of getting the blender out. That works. Alright. Oh yeah. See how it's getting in there? And then what we're going to do is take some cranberry powder and mix it all together. Alright. Let me get this out here. Alright, there we go. I'll set that right there. Let's put the top back on Give it another good shake. And we're going to change the color of this. Alright. Let me get the scissors. And we're going to have some fun with this. It's not much in there, so I'm just going to put it all in there. And we're going to change the color of this to a pink. And we'll have pink coffee creamer. Oh, that's cool looking. How about that? And then that's the way you add your vanilla in different flavors. So we have the peppermint right here. So since that is pink, I'm going to use the peppermint instead. Let's see here. Let's pour about... Oh, that smells good. So this would be... I'm going to put one. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons in here. And then we're going to shake it up again. A little bit of shake. Let's stir this up. Like this. Alrighty. And now, oh my goodness, that's so good. That's so good. And that peppermint. We're going to get some coffee. Let's pour some coffee in the mug. Make sure we leave room for the creamer. Let's pour some creamer in here. Let's see how that does. There we go. Oh, and definitely it tastes like peppermint. And then we're going to get some. I mean, if you wanted to, you could whip it up and be like a fummy stuff and everything. So there you go. That is our peppermint coconut coffee creamer. Let's take a real quick taste test. Oh, that's so good. So there you go. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all, and we'll see you later.